Why hello. Welcome back to the vlog. Today is I hope it's gonna be a very cool vlog, cool adventure. I'm trying my best to sort out a little photography session with one of my friends, Connor. I'll call him C. He's been in the vlogs before. I've been contacting him since last night. Like he responded like in the afternoon, but like towards the evening and stuff, I think he was working. So I think he hasn't had a chance to view the messages or anything. I've texted him earlier today and he still hasn't replied. He still hasn't seen it. And yeah, but it should be alright. I'm hoping that he's okay. He's that sort of person where, yeah, he agrees to do, you know, some things, and then when you try to like get a hold of him because you want to like, you know, want to go on a specific time, he kind of like goes a little bit MIA. So hopefully he will see the messages soon. If not, I'm gonna shoot him another message, be like, yo, see what's happening, man. It's still early in the morning though, so we have plenty of time, but I would like to, you know, me, I'm that type of person where I like to stick on a certain schedule, so you know, I can like plan out what to do and shit like that. Anyway, I went to Kmart last night and wanting and hoping to get a couple of film exposures, but they ran out, which is super weird. It's been out for like solid a week and a half now. I asked my friend who works at Kmart to, you know, maybe have his like have his power to have his authority to order a couple of film exposures, so I'm able to use it. I forgot that how quickly it goes, and they don't, you know, sell quite a large amount as well, and so it just goes on just like that. Supply and demand, man. Supply and demand, good old business topic stuff. Anyway, so I didn't want to put that down on me because I really want to shoot film. So what I got is this disposable Kodak flash camera. It's got 27 exposures in it. It's on ISO 800. It is actually my first time going to be using this disposable camera. I'm super excited about it and stuff, and I'll see how it all works out, man. And ooh, look at, comes like in a little packet. I'm super excited, but still nervous because it's my first ever time using this disposable camera, and I'm hoping that it will be all okay and it will turn out all great. But you know, you gotta like do all this kind of shit to know whether it's working or not. So I'm super excited to use this. Let's open this up actually. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, nice and simple disposable camera, and they have this little like this little exposure thing as well. This is super cool, man. Alright. Ooh, is this the film canister in here? But yeah, alright. Alright, cool. This is super cool, man. I'm excited to use this. Man, so I got all my shit sorted out right over here. Just wearing my slip-on Vans because it just goes nice with the outfit. What the heck is the outfit with the outfit that I'm wearing today? I got a hold of C and he messaged me. He actually was just like, well, is waking up right now. He's just getting ready and everything. So he pushed the time to an hour later. We're supposed to meet up all the shoots. We were supposed to meet up at like 10:30, go to a couple of spots and then take some pictures. But yeah, he pushed an hour later, which is 11:30. So yeah, no fuss. I'm not gonna be mad, obviously. Like, not gonna be mad on the little things. And yeah, all I'm excited about is just go up there and use this disposable camera. Like I said, first time using it, and I'll see the outcome. Obviously, I can't show it to you guys straight up, but I'm just keen on waiting for it to be developed and then see how it all goes. So yeah, I'm excited for that. I'm really excited for that. Yeah. Next location. So I gotta change my whole outfit, man. Gotta wear like white and stuff. So you know, I'll be sure to send this your way, man. Definitely. Cool, can you sit on there? We're just chilling at Connor's house. He had to come back and do some washing, and he has like 2 film cameras, one's a Holga and one this. I came across this, and this is super cool. Like, it's super I mean, obviously there's no film in there, but it's so sick. And like, he's the type of guy who likes old school stuff as well, kind of like me, which is super rad. So yeah, man, super cool. I like finding all this kind of like nifty stuff. Art students, bro. I have one. I work to work. Really? Yeah, just to create like controversy and stuff. The first one is good. Oh, up to you, man. Whatever's like super cool. Is it an old school band or is it fairly new? Alright, man, just got back. Just about to make some food as well. Pardon my hair. Yo, it was really fun going out and shooting with C. C, if you're watching, thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. First time using a disposable camera, and it actually is really fun because it's just like automatically all does it all like its own shit. But yeah, it's actually really fun, man. Well, we have to see how it all work out as well. Like, I'm really hoping that the picture will come out decent, and we'll see what we can do with it. You know, like I'm really hoping that it turns out well. But yeah, I'm just about to have something to eat. I am incredibly famished. Just gonna chill. Beautiful day outside. Although the wind is picking up slightly, but it's nice because it's like make it a very breezy day, and it kind of like equals with like the hotness of the sun. And, yeah, so like I said, I'm just gonna chill and eat something, man. Yo, Emily had one job to bring speakers, but it ain't working. It's because it's not charged. What the fuck, Ems? What the fuck, Ems? Yeah, one job. Yeah, one job, man. Yeah, one job. Come on.
I have 2 jobs. I can pay for
we can't be playing tennis anymore. The groove is off. Emperor's groove is off. Oh, no.
So it's Emily versus Emily. Who's gonna win? Emily versus Emily. Oh.
Wow. Good job, Ems. Oh, Ems, pick up your game. Oh, he's getting professional. Holy shit.
I'm scared.
Oh my god.
Watch me become a pro from this video.
Why you gotta hit the black guy photo?
I'm gonna get scouted from this video and become famous.